KAIROS is our live switcher based on GPU. Today, we will present you the version 2 of KAIROS firmware, designed for corporate, broadcast, and event live production types. There are so many new powerful features in this KAIROS that I need the help of 3 specialists to explain them all. Let me introduce you Corporate Chris, Broadcast Chris, and Event Chris. It's been years that you've been talking to us about IP, and now you want to present an HDMI board? Who can explain this?
This one is for me. IP is a transition that will take time. KAIROS producers must keep on using some existing equipment. That's why, last year, we launched an SDI board. And because HDMI is present in all corporate and event live productions, we introduced 2 new boards. One with 4 HDMI 2.1 outputs, and one with 2 HDMI 2.1 and 2 HDMI 2.0 inputs.
So that means we are limited to regular resolutions?
No, Guillaume. Thanks to EDID management, KAIROS supports custom resolutions up to 9.8 megapixels for HDMI inputs and outputs, the same exact way we do for 2110.
Great! I heard a lot about snapshots. Chris Event, I'm sure you can explain what it is exactly and why is it so important for you.
Snapshots are also called EMEM, keyframes, effect presets, and they allow to store and recall effect combinations. Imagine complex picture-in-picture layouts with multiple compositions. KAIROS supports snapshots starting from version 1.2. We have added Snapshot Dissolve, which interpolates smoothly from one position to another. And to satisfy event operators, KAIROS now includes Snapshot Preview. It shows what will be displayed on a specific output before you recall the snapshot. Believe me, when you are filling a giant LED wall, the last thing you want is to discover an issue at the same time as your audience.
That's for sure. Talking about LED walls, does Snapshot help when you feed multiple screens?
Snapshot does not help directly because it's handled by another new feature, the multi-scene controller. It is a container with multiple scenes inside. It performs transition or snapshot dissolve on different scenes simultaneously, not like with macros, but also manually with faders. It is a very typical use case when several screens are installed around the stage.
And what about when something happens and finally you don't want to transition on all outputs anymore?
Don't worry, Guillaume. We added individual disable buttons for last-second changes.
Hey, Chris Broadcast, did you lose your tongue? There's nothing new for broadcasters in this release?
Are you kidding me? Of course we have new things. First point, everything they showed also applied to broadcast. Did you recently see any TV studio without HDMI cable or LED screen? Second point, the scene menu in the creator has been entirely revamped. This request was mainly coming from broadcast operators. You have thumbnails grabbed from sources, more indication on layers, grids and alignment, more filters controllable by mouse, and so much more.
Got it. What else do you have, guys?
We have a lot. For instance, effects library and favorites to help building stunning effects. New page turn and roll transitions. Improved Panasonic camera integration with RP150 switcher link and HRP triggers. Up to 64 different LUTs with the possibility to import and rename. Devices added in trigger menu for easier external control.
Okay, guys, understood. It's a real version 2. But seeing the 3 of you, does it mean we have 3 KAIROS now?
No, no, and no. KAIROS is still a unique platform, including all features for all purposes.
Perfect. Thank you for the explanations. This new version really turns KAIROS into a universal live video tool. You can download for free KAIROS version 2 and find much more information on our website. Thank you for watching this video.
Panasonic